Oh, hi again. Welcome back, everybody. We are going to try this one. Anyone feel confident that they can push this? I'm going to call this, okay, fine, I called it here, black diamond problem across the finish line. If I tell you to do this one with complete the square, it's black diamond. If I tell you you can do it any way you want, it's blue square. Okay? Complete the square is super formal, it's super fancy, and it's powerful math. You want this skill if you want to go to a high level, but you don't have to have it to find vertexes. That being said, finding vertexes is super important. You're going to do it in business to find how can I maximize my profit? Kind of an important question, right? You're going to do it to like find in physics, how high does the rocket go? Kind of maybe the whole question you're trying to answer. So let's do it. We're just going to do step one. Katie Baz, tell me what step one is. Factor out what? We're going to take out 1/5 from the first two terms. Wait. What's 2 divided by 1/5? Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. 10.
Oh, what?
You flip and multiply. Keep, flip, change. KFC. Okay? It's like saying, I have 2 chocolate bars. How many 1/5 size pieces can I make? 10. It's not hard. But it's only hard because you're trying to do it without understanding. And that's where a lot of people, and I'm not trying to like troll you here or make fun of you. I'm just saying a lot of students don't understand fractions well because you're not slowing down to think about what's being represented here. Right? So if I think of this concretely, that's a strategy so you can understand what's happening. I want to divide the chocolate bars into 1/5 size pieces. How many 1/5 size pieces do I get out of 2 full chocolate bars? 10 of them. Okay, or I just do my KFC. KFC is 2 on 1. That's the number 2. Okay, 2 on 1. Multiplied by, keep the top one, flip the bottom one. Multiplied by 5 on 1. That's 10 on 1. 10. Okay, so I have plus 10x there. Leave some space, plus 9. Okay, I have successfully factored out the 1/5. The only time that 1/5 is going to participate in the problem again is when it's the bouncer and I have to multiply the leftovers when they come out of Vegas. Oh, this metaphor keeps getting better. More convoluted. Okay. Huh?
Do you not divide 9 by...
No, we leave 9 alone. 9 is like gets a pass. Okay, it's actually never invited to Vegas. It's not invited to the factoring party. Okay, it stays outside. That's why step 1 is I was specific and I said factor A out of the first 2 terms, leave the third one alone. Just leave it there. Okay, it's not involved in the square that you're completing. Okay, so now we take this number 10 and we divide it by 2 and square it. So we do 10 divided by 2, square it. That gives us 5 squared. That gives us 25. Cool. Huh? Sure thing. So then we're going to add and subtract 25 inside the brackets. That's our magic number that completes the square. That's how we do it. And then we recognize that this part here, the first little bit, is a perfect square trinomial. So we write y is equal to 1/5 x plus 5 all squared. It helps to draw these square brackets to keep track of your leftovers. Make sure they stay in Vegas. Plus 9. Now we're going to do this thing where we do 1/5 times minus 25. What's a fifth of negative 25? What flavor of 5? Negative 5. So negative 5 is going to pop out of the brackets here. So now we go to y is equal to 1/5 x plus 5 squared minus 5 plus 9. Turns out the maximum value of this, the minimum value of this parabola is 4. Because minus 5 plus 9 is 4. That's our vertex form of the quadratic. So this one has a vertex at minus 5, 4. Minus 5 because that one is a sign flipper. And this one tells the truth or something like that. You just read it straight off. Negative h plus k. Okay, and it's very like bowed out. It's a very flat quadratic because it has that a value of 1/5. So it's been squished. Okay, all right, cool. So that is completing the square, everybody. Try these, and then we will chat about those ourselves. I want to get to the next thing. So the next thing is our corrections and stuff. We want to do that for the next bit. So thanks, everyone. Any questions, hit me up by, you can even, yeah, you can, I know I said all those embarrassing things about Vegas, and it's going to be on YouTube forever. You can ask me questions in the comments of the video. I read comments. You can also email me or ask me questions right now. Bye.